So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download motherboard gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come on this website, which is www.gigabyte.com, and this is search button, and then type your motherboard model number B60M Eagle Wi-Fi 6 V2, and then hit enter. Click to product, then click on model number of motherboard. Then guys, click to support. Select your operating system. Okay, Windows 10 and 11. If you have Windows 10, so you can follow this video and install the driver, because installation driver is same. VGA, Intel VGA driver. Click to download. You can see it start downloading. So after downloaded, just open this. Then guys, double click to open this extracted and exe driver. Then extracting data. Then close and